Good afternoon, girls. In this video, we'll do how to calculate the memory address in a 2D array. Okay. Earlier, we discussed about the memory representation in case of double dimension array. Okay. Now we will practice few questions based on how to calculate the memory address of a element in a 2D array. Okay, two types of questions can be there: row measure wise or column measure wise. Array can be arranged row measure wise as well as can be arranged column measure wise. Okay, so separate formulas are there for calculating the memory address in case of row measure wise and in case of column measure wise. So formula for calculating the memory address of element in case of row measure wise arrangement. Okay, if the array is arranged in row measure wise arrangement. Okay, so the formula will be for that row measure wise formula is b plus w c I minus lr plus j minus lc. Okay, in this formula b is the beginning address. Okay, or you can say base address. W is the size of element. This will be in bytes. Suppose integer array is there, so the size will be 4 bytes. Okay, and C is number of columns. Here again, for calculating the value of C, if you have to calculate the value of C, the formula will be for number of columns. C is number of column. So if you need to calculate the number of columns, the formula will be UC minus LC plus 1. UC stands for upper bound of column and the lower. Okay, U upper column, lower column plus 1. So number of column I minus LR plus J minus LC. So B is base address, W is size in bytes, C number of columns. You can calculate the number of columns. You can find it using this UC minus LC plus 1. And LR stands for lower row, LC lower column, J and I. Now suppose you have to calculate the memory address of this element A, suppose 0, 1. Okay, you have to calculate the address of this element. So this 0, 0, 1, 0 will be the value of I and this will be the value of J. Okay, so in this formula I and J, so this will be I and this will be J. Now how you can find which is the value of LC, UC, LR and UR. Suppose you have been given this A within bracket, one value, second value, comma, this value and this value. So this will be the LR. Okay, lower row number, upper row number, lower column number, upper column number. Okay, we will practice this through a question. Now I am just going to take an example, a question that will be based on this row measure wise arrangement. Suppose you have to calculate the memory address of A6, 2. Okay, the question is a 2D array defined as A4, 7, minus 1, 3 requires 2 words of storage. 2 words of storage. Okay, means 2 bytes. Size, value of W, 2. Space for each element. If the array is stored in row measure form, calculate the address of A62. Okay, you have to calculate the address of this. So this will be the I and this will be the value of J. Given the base address B. So value of B will be 100. Okay. This is the formula. Base address is 100. W 2 bytes. C number of column, we will calculate that. I 6, J 2, then LR LC. Now in this case it's A, this is given 4 7 comma minus 1 3. Okay, so this will be the LR, this will be the value of UR, this is LC, and this is UC. Okay, now you need to calculate the value. B is, base address is 100, W is 2 bytes. Okay, now C equals to, as I told you, UC minus LC plus 1. The value of UC is 3. 3 minus LC minus 1 plus 1. So 3 minus 1 will be 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So the value of C will be 5. Okay. Now I 6, J 2. I will be 6, J will be 2. Now B plus W, 100 plus W 2. Number of columns I have calculated 5. I minus LR means 6 minus LR is 4. 6 minus 4 plus J means 2 minus LC minus 1. Okay, so 100 plus 2, 5, 6 minus 4, 2 plus 2 minus 1, 3. So 100 plus 2, 5 to the 10 plus 3. So 100 plus 2, 13. 100 plus 26. 126. This will be the answer. Okay, if the array 2D array is arranged row major wise. This is the formula. B is the base address, W is the size each element acquires. C number of column. How to calculate number of column? UC minus LC, upper bound minus lower bound of column. Okay, plus 1. I and J. Okay, this will be the I and J. Okay, element whose address you have to calculate. The row number and the column number will be the I and J values. Okay, LR lower bound of row and LC lower bound of column. Okay, suppose this is given, so this will be LR UR comma, row values will be here and the column values will be here. So LR UR LC UC. Okay, now come to column major wise. In case of column major wise, the formula will be this. Okay, the formula will be this: B plus W, okay, I minus LR plus R. This is number of rows. Okay, in row major wise, number of column will be there, UC minus LC. Here R, number of rows. Okay, how you will calculate the number of rows? Similarly, UC minus LC, you will do UR minus LR plus 1. Then J minus LC. As I told you earlier, if this is given, this will be LR, value of UR, value of LC and value of UC. Okay. B will be the base address or beginning location, and IJ, the element whose location or memory address you have to calculate. Two values will be there. So this one will be I and this one will be value of J. W will be the size. Okay. R, number of rows, UR minus LR plus 1. Now suppose we have to